What if I told you you could get a Hall Effect keyboard with 0.01mm rapid trigger accuracy and 8000 Hz polling, all for just $40 on Amazon? Today we're checking out the Gamakay NaughShark NS68, a budget Hall Effect keyboard that might just surprise you. Big thanks goes out to Gamakay for sponsoring this video. Inside the box you get the keyboard itself, a detachable USB-C cable, a keycap and switch puller, some extra magnetic switches, a nice wrist sling that you can attach to the keyboard itself. Right away, the NS68 feels solid in the hand. It is a 65% layout, so you still get the arrow keys and a few extra functions without taking up too much desk space. The design is pretty clean, but it looks almost identical to the Wooting 68G. The keyboard features south-facing RGB backlighting, which is beneficial because it allows you to use any keycap profile without having to worry about keycap interference. It is also fully hot swappable, so if you aren't a massive fan of the switches, they can be easily swapped out for something more to your liking. Gamakay does include their own magnetic Hall Effect switches here, and yes, they are adjustable from 0.1mm all the way up to 3.7mm. That means you can customize every key's actuation point to be lightning fast for gaming. Speaking of features, this is where the NS68 starts to feel like it's punching above its price point. It has 0.01mm rapid trigger, which pretty much lets you reset a key almost instantly for faster reactions, 8000 Hz polling rate, and 0.125 ms latency. It also has snap tap support, and lastly, dynamic keystroke allows up to 4 actions on a single keystroke. For gaming, this is a serious package at the budget level. Typing on the NS68 actually feels better than I expected at this price. The switches are smooth, and while the stabilizers aren't screw-ins, they are decent and don't rattle too much. Here's a quick sound test so you can hear it for yourself. Not bad at all, especially considering this is aimed more at gaming, although I would have liked to have seen a bit more foam to remove some of the hollowness. The NS68 uses Gamakay's web-based drivers where you can adjust actuation points, enable rapid trigger, and change your lighting. It does everything you need to unlock the power of this keyboard without having to download a software. So is the Gamakay NaughShark NS68 worth it? If you've been curious about a Hall Effect keyboard but don't want to drop $150 on something like a Wooting, this might be one of the best budget entry points out there. You're getting 0.01mm rapid trigger accuracy, 8000 Hz polling rate, and customization features like snap tap and dynamic keystroke, all in a compact 65% layout at a fraction of the cost. And the best part is, you don't need to hunt it down on obscure sites. It's available on Amazon for an affordable price. Let me know what you think about the NS68 in the comments, and if you're interested in picking one up, I'll leave a link in the description below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.